Good morning, this is Susan from Cestari. Today I'm going to talk about preparing zucchini for cooking. Now, you may think that's silly, you just rinse it off, then cut it up, but I use a method that I learned from Marcella Hazan's classic Italian cooking. Using cookbooks may sound odd to those in the internet generation, but I'm older, and back when I started cooking, this is where we got recipes and cooking tips from. Marcella taught me a lot, including how to clean zucchini. The first point she makes is that zucchini's skin has grit, so even though the zucchini looks clean, if you run your fingers on it, it feels a bit rough. That is dirt embedded in the skin. Marcella explains how best to clean it, and I will show you that now. The first step is to soak the zucchini. You do want to make sure that it's fully submerged, so I generally use my sink rack. You can use anything to weight it down, cover it by the water, and then you want to leave it there for 20 minutes. Then after you have soaked it, you are going to rinse it underwater while you're using a vegetable scrubber. I, of course, like the Cestari vegetable scrubber. And when you rinse it afterwards, you can feel that the grit is gone from the skin. It's smooth. And that's it. It's pretty simple. One of the important things to remember is you don't clean it until right before you're going to use it. When you get it home from the farmer's market, you put it in a bag, put it loosely wrapped in the refrigerator, and then you take it out and do the cleaning right after so it doesn't get soggy and gross, and you clean it right before you're going to use it. So thanks, and enjoy your zucchini. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear how you are using zucchini this summer. Please leave a comment below. Thanks.